Hello and welcome to the channel. Be sure to share, like, and comment down below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for daily videos on news and politics. Obama appointed FISA court judges involved in numerous questionable and controversial actions. The Obama team's actions with the FISA court were not just corrupt, they were criminal. Now his appointed judges are in the news for suspect deep state actions. The FISA court was put into place in 1978 when Congress enacted the Foreign Intelligence Surveillance Act, FISA. The court sits in Washington, D.C. and is composed of 11 federal district court judges who are designated by the Chief Justice of the United States. Each judge serves for a maximum of 7 years, and their terms are staggered to ensure continuity on the court. In addition, the entire FISA court in late 2016 was stacked with Obama appointees, and the entire court as of March 20, 2017 was also Obama appointees. Now, the current membership of the FISA court is Rosemary Collyer of the District of Columbia, James Boasberg, District of Columbia, Rudolph Contreras, District of Columbia, Ann Conway, the Middle District of Florida, Raymond Derry, Eastern District of New York, Claire Egan, Northern District of Oklahoma, James Jones, Western District of Virginia, Robert Kugler, District of New Jersey, Michael Mossman, District of Oregon, Thomas Russell, Western District of Kentucky, and F. Dennis Saylor IV, District of Massachusetts. Now, as reported earlier by TGP, on April 26, 2017, an unsealed FISA court ruling unveiled a number of criminal activities that Barack Obama's FBI and DOJ participated in during his time in office. The FISA court ruling shows widespread abuse of the FISA mandate. According to the report, Obama's FBI and DOJ performed searches on Americans that were against their Fourth Amendment rights. This went on for years. One paragraph in the report states that 85% of the Section 704 and 705B FISA searches made during this time were non-compliant with applicable laws and therefore criminal. Now, in addition, the report cites that at the same time that Obama's DOJ and FBI were illegally searching Americans against their rights, and unbeknownst to them, Obama's FBI was providing this information to outside contractors who had no business or legal cause or claim to the information. Now, some people suspect that one of these contractors may have been Fusion GPS. Now, Obama appointed judges to the FISA court are in the news because of their suspect actions. On Friday, the House Intelligence Committee released its FISA memo that described the corrupt actions taken by Obama's FBI and DOJ to obtain warrants to spy on the Trump campaign. Obama's DOJ and FBI used a document created from information by the Hillary Clinton campaign and DNC funding to obtain multiple FISA court warrants. The political anti-Trump sources of the information were not provided to the court when requested. The warrant and the top DOJ and FBI officials were the ones partaking in these actions. As a result, congressional leaders are calling for prosecution of FBI and DOJ officials involved in the criminal actions. On Fox News, Greg Jarrett stated that the criminal acts by the Obama scoundrels involved in the FISA crimes could qualify for sentences up to 10 years in prison. It's time to determine who signed off on the above warrants. Judges typically sit in on the court for 1 week at a time on a rotating basis. Which judge signed off on the warrants with such flimsy information provided? The judge or judges who signed off on these warrants need to be investigated. Also, why have none of these judges announced that they are prosecuting the individuals who provided the fake information? This is their duty. Now, one Obama FISA appointee was also involved in General Flynn's criminal case. We know this because he recused himself from the Flynn case. Obama's FISA court appointee and U.S. District Judge Rudolph Contreras recused himself from the former National Security Advisor in Michael Flynn's criminal case in December. It's yet unknown the reason why Contreras recused himself. Why did he recuse himself, and did he also sign off on any of the FISA warrants given to the Obama cronies? Now, on Friday, another Obama-appointed FISA court judge, U.S. District Judge James Boasberg, sided with the Department of Justice after multiple news organizations, including CNN and USA Today, sued for the public release of Comey's memos after their Freedom of Information Act request was denied. Now, the fact that any judge would currently side with this corrupt Department of Justice is suspect. What is in the memos, and why is this being hidden from the public? The current group of FISA court judges needs to be investigated, and if corrupt or criminal, removed from the court. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and give me your opinion on this report. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.